Hey, what's going on, guys? Kurtash here, and guys, in this video I'm going to do a withdrawal from my iCenter Lite Bot to show proof that iCenter actually does pay as they say they do. Okay. Now, this video is not going to be an instructional video on how to actually do your withdrawals. If you watch our webinar, I'll have a link down below in the description. If you watch that webinar, that's actually going to take you to another page that's going to have a whole listing of instructions and tutorials and videos on how to get set up, and there's going to be a video on there on how to do your withdrawals when you reach the minimum withdrawal amount. Okay, this video is just going to be a payment proof video. Okay, so right now I'm in my Telegram app and I'm on the iCenter Lite Bot, and all I need to do to withdraw my amount is I'm going to click on withdraw. But before I do that, first I'm going to click on balance to make sure that I have the most current balance right here. Okay, so anytime you want to make sure you have the current, that you're seeing the current balance, just click the balance right here, and that will refresh and it will retally and give you the total amount that you have right now. So I'm going to click withdraw, and that's going to bring up the information with the wallet address that I selected to have my payment sent to. Okay, then it's going to say here I need to use the command /out, then the total. For example, I would put /out, then a space, then 1.5 if I was going to withdraw 1.5 Litecoin. Okay. In this instance, I'm going to withdraw 0.109 Litecoin. Okay. So what I need to do, and first of all, let's go ahead and go to my coin payments account. I'll show you this is the wallet that's going to go to. Okay. And if I could go back to my balance. Go back to my wallet. I'll show you. Okay, I have 0 Litecoin in my coin payments account. Okay, no Litecoin. I got a little bit of, I got some CPS. I got no Bitcoin. And I got no LTC right now. Okay, so let me go back here again to my deposit receipt. And if you notice, I create unique addresses for each program or thing that I'm involved with. This way helps me keep it kind of separate and keep things organized. So this is the wallet address right here. Starts with LQ, ends in GJG, and if you go back here, we'll see that that's the correct address. Okay, right here. All right. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do /OUT space, and then I'm going to put in 0.109. Okay, that's going to be a little bit of Litecoin in my balance. Okay, because what I plan to do anyway is I plan to actually withdraw this to prove that I can be paid, and then I'm going to actually reinvest this anyway. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and withdraw that amount. And actually, I'm going to go ahead and withdraw though. Now I'm going to withdraw. I'll just withdraw a little bit. Withdraw this much, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on enter. Okay, and withdrawal request submit successful. Okay, so we're going to go back over to my wallet, my coin payments wallet, and Litecoin is really fast network, guys. I mean, it's a lot faster than Bitcoin. It usually takes maybe a few minutes, maybe 2.5 to 3 minutes for the transaction. Bitcoin takes a little bit longer because it's a bigger network because it's more used. Litecoin is really fast. So we'll go ahead and I'm going to refresh the page here. And most likely it has not been entered in, let me go back to my actual wallet. Most likely it hasn't actually arrived yet. See, it hasn't arrived yet. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going ahead and I'm going to pause the video, okay? And then I'm going to come back in a couple of minutes and we're going to see the Litecoin in my wallet, okay? So I'm going to pause and we'll be right back. Alright, guys, so before I show, it still hasn't, the confirmation has not completed yet. There needs to be a certain number of confirmations. This is with any crypto coin to make sure that it's actually been verified and gone through. But as you can see here, my balance has been reduced. Okay, so the balance was removed from my account. Okay, so now all I need to do still, I need to wait for the confirmation to complete, and then that Litecoin is going to appear in my coin payments wallet. So again, I'm going to pause again and be back in a few minutes when the confirmations have completed. Okay, something I want to point out to you guys right here, as you can see, I just went back to my coin payments wallet, my coin payments account, and the Litecoin has not appeared yet in my wallet just yet. But as you can see here, I have a pending deposit right here. So this right here, this means that this is currently going through the Litecoin blockchain. As you can see here, it's the amount that I withdrew, 0.109. It's going to require 3 confirmations. So right now it's 0 out of 3, and the status is pending. Okay, and the time the transaction was spotted was today, August 26, 2018, and this is my local time here. This is at 15:13:52, so 3:13 p.m. and 52 seconds is when it was spotted. Current time right now is about 3:18 p.m. Okay, so just under 5 minutes ago, this was spotted, and it's currently going to the blockchain. Once it's verified and confirmed, then this Litecoin will appear in my Litecoin wallet. Okay, so again, I'm going to pause again and be back in a few minutes. Okay, guys. So as you can see here, the confirmations have not been completed yet. But if you look down here, my Litecoin is already in my wallet. Okay, so I'm going to refresh page real quick and see when this confirmation comes through. Sometimes it'll be in your balance before the confirmations go through. Most of the time it won't be. But now you can see right here, this is the payment proof right here that iCenter does pay. Okay, so again, guys, it's if you have not seen the iCenter webinar just yet, go ahead and click the link down below. You can watch our webinar, and then from there, after you watch the webinar, you'll be able to get started. With that, guys, I want to thank you for watching. Again, if you found this video helpful, please do me a favor and give it a like and a share, and also leave me a comment down below. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe so you're always updated on new videos that I release. And also make sure you hit that bell notification icon to make sure you get push notifications every time I release a new video. And again, if you are not yet part of our iCenter team, be sure to watch the webinar down below and get started. There's no cost to get started other than the deposits you make for your investment. That's it. That's the only cost that takes. And you can get started with Litecoin for as little as 0.1 Litecoin. Okay. So, and then of course we also have the Bitcoin bot, the Bitcoin Cash bot, and the Ethereum bot. With that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day.